like everybody is here. Let's see what we're doing here. So, Queen Latifah came up to say hi. And there's Karen, Salt and Pepper. And then over here, that looks like Prancer and her 2 kids. There is Pat and her 2 kids. And there is 2 black ones and 2 white ones in there, and those are Karen's and Queen Latifah's. So a total of 8 so far, with only 2 more left to have kids. What the heck? Okay. Those things are loud and they're low. I could have shot one of those. Alright. So, Queen Latifah here just had her kids today, as you can tell. Karen had hers yesterday, along with Pat had hers a couple days ago. And Prancer had hers first before everyone. And Salt and Pepper aren't due for a whole nother month still, or so. So, and Wilbur, what is he doing back there? He's upset because he can't visit his girlfriends, so, but he bothers them.